Hello, my name is Anna Arthid, and today I will be extending the technical description of a phenomenon. The feeling of kenopsia is generally defined as the forlorn atmosphere of a place that's usually bustling with people, but is now abandoned and quiet. It's an emotion that everybody experiences, but most can't quite describe. I decided to extend the description of this feeling to fully illustrate what this experience is like. I was never aware that this was an actual feeling that many people experienced. Typically, whenever I would get it, I would say, "It feels like today could be the zombie apocalypse," because it feels like you're just waiting for all the people to show up, and they're just simply gone. The sensation is quite eerie and off-putting, but it's also generally easy to recover from and is quite fleeting. Most people tend to feel kenopsia on school campuses during summer break, or in childhood homes that they moved out of, or in stores or streets at night, restaurants just before closing, anywhere where the building is generally full and busy, but everybody's gone, is where the emotion is generally felt. This is one of those emotions that you never knew you had, and the feeling is so obscure, therefore it's difficult to properly describe the feeling. But once you hear about it, you can instantly relate to the description. In the most simple terms, this feeling is the realization of just how empty a place can truly feel. And I believe it is an important emotion because it helps us realize just how small we are in this great big world.